Merry meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. I'm so excited to open this month's Witch's Roots box for the month of January. It currently snowed, guys. I'm in a winter wonderland. It's so high, the snow's like crazy. My feet are buried, but I want to come out here real quick and film this unboxing video for you guys because I love the Witch's Moon's Moon Market and all the magical things they have. Be sure to check them out in the comment section and description box down below. And without further ado, let's see what the theme is for this month and unbox this baby. I always love these boxes. Ooh, it already looks so magical, guys. Do you see how everything's packaged so nicely? I just love how they package everything. I don't know if you guys can see, like nothing is gonna be breaking on you. Do you guys see that? Everything's packaged so good. So let's see what the theme for this month is. It smells so good. Whatever herbs in here, or the oil, or the candle, guys, it smells so divine. It says the theme for this month is the stem of health, which is great with everything going on. And just me, I've been getting sick a lot, so it's nice that they have a little health box for us. It says, we truly look forward to the coming months of this bright and blessed half of the year. We fully embrace this time to rejuvenate, prepare, and open ourselves to receive blessings, knowing that there will always be joyful surprises just beyond our field of view. Just as if the moon was waxing, we focus on intentions of growth, abundance, prosperity, and health. These intentions are more prevalently known now more than ever before us as we navigate through the unknown path before us. In this vibrant and bright collection, we surround ourselves with helpful and inspiring energies so that we may step into the opportunities of growth. We have so repeatedly prepared ourselves for it. The magical items in this box are as follows. Ooh, cannot wait, guys. I just love their magical boxes. So it looks like there's a Chinese sigil, and I saw this right away. Ooh, this looks so cool, a Chinese symbol. It says the symbol of Shao. It's a talisman, an ancient Chinese philosophy attributed to Lao Tzu 500 BCE, recognizing the embelling and flowing of natural vibration, specifically of Tao, a cosmic life force which flows through all things in this book of Wei. Oh, that's cool. So, okay, I know these Chinese people and this Chinese symbol. That's cool. Tao is a form of Chinese Buddhism, guys, and oh, I just love it. It's spelled T-A-O, but it could also be spelled D-A-O, and it's spelled Tao, not Tao. That's so cool. So this beautiful symbol, I can't wait to look more with that and work with that energy, guys. And it also looks like I got some lemon balm in this box too. There's a beautiful lemon balm Books of Shadows artwork. Just love the magical Book of Shadows artwork so much, guys. And I can't really put anything on the ground because it's all snow, so I'm going to be holding everything and showing it to you guys too. Oh, this is so pretty. There's a little necklace talisman in this pouch, guys, and the color is green around the pouch, like a green mesh, for the energy of health and all that good stuff. And there's a beautiful necklace in here. It looks like a magical talisman. Ooh. Oh, I love this, guys. It's silver, but it's like so modern. So modern, guys. It's got the beautiful ankh on there with some beautiful Egyptian magic. It says, with serpents rising and flowers in bloom, from life's sake, from the cosmic womb, healing powers flow through me, make me heal and whole, so mote it be. So beautiful, guys. I just love this. It's so magical. I cannot wait to wear this. I love how the ankh is on it too. Oh, this is so cool. So this is a healing coin charm pendant, they said, guys. There's so much beautiful magic within this. I'm gonna have the info for you guys to read at the end of the video. It's so magical. It looks like we also got some lemon balm, guys. A little brief overview over it is, for its long and lustrous history in magical workings, lemon balm has been an essential herb to many types of healers and practitioners. Derived from the Greek word melissa, translating as the honey bee, lemon balm was once planted by the beekeepers of the temple of Artemis to convince bees to stay satisfied within close proximity. In addition to its sacred connections with Diana and invoking the goddess, it was commonly used throughout Europe as a dispeller of negative emotions and melancholy, almost always used during many water magical rituals blended with healing elixirs to bring peace of mind, content of spirit. As we work diligently to sharpen our focus on specific intentions during these coming months, it is important that we allow these energies associated with lemon balm to help balance and maintain our conviction through the manifestation, invoking real and lasting change and the energy that flows through us throughout our daily routines. There's so much beautiful information on this lemon balm, guys. I have all the info for you guys to read at the end of the video. I cannot wait to work with this healing herb. So divine. It also looks like there's an amethyst bracelet in this box, guys. I'm so happy. Amethyst is amazing and has totally helped me with my spiritual awakening. I just love this amethyst bracelet, guys. It's helped me so much. I just love this stone. It's so divine. It looks like I also got the Healer's Exhale Ritual Incense, guys, and this beautiful green spell candle. I cannot wait to use these in my magic. It just smells so good. It looks like one of the last things is this ritual oil, guys. I just love their magical potions so much and use these in my cleansing baths. It comes in so handy. I just like love this. Saves me time from having to make my own. So this is the Divine Mend Ritual Body Oil, and I feel like this is going to have some good healing. Comes with a little dropper so you can use it and put it on you too. Ooh, what does this smell like? This smells so calm and healing, guys. I cannot wait to work with this energy. This box is just amazing. I just love the Witch's Moon so much. They have such amazing value for their boxes. Like, the price, you just get so much over your value of what you should. I just love them. They are amazing. Be sure to check them out in the comment section down below and description box. Let them know that I sent you guys. Go ahead and visit their moon market and check out their neat subscription boxes. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys then. From heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.